Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the browser so the install works reliably. First, make sure you use a Chromium-based browser. Y2mate extensions target that environment. Once ready, backup bookmarks and settings. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Next, open extensions and enable developer mode so you can load non-store packages. Then, locate the CRX file you obtained. You'll need it in the next step. This sequence prevents common permission and compatibility problems before you actually add the extension. You now perform the middle detailed steps to add the extension safely. Drag the CRX file into the extensions page and allow the browser to prompt installation. This is the only accepted sideload method for many Chromium builds. When prompted, carefully review the listed permissions so you understand what the extension can access. After installation, open the extension's details and inspect its files or signature. This helps detect tampering. If anything looks off, remove the install and reevaluate the source before proceeding. You finish by validating the extension and handling common failures. First, test it on a simple page to confirm the expected features appear and no errors pop up. Once satisfied, re-enable browser sync and restore any backed up settings. If the extension fails to work, try disabling other extensions to rule out conflicts, then reinstall the CRX. Developer mode logs will show script errors you can inspect. Finally, if persistent problems remain, remove the extension and obtain a fresh, verified copy before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.